Also Mustang
another
Mach-E's.
issue, yeah.
Okay, so we have multiple recalls here. This has to do with battery safety issues on 49,000 Mustang Mach-E's. EV could fail to start or become immobile while in motion due to a battery malfunction. That's not ideal. 50,000 is quite a few, I guess, as far as Mach-E's are concerned, as a new vehicle on the road. According to the recall, the malfunction involves potential overheating of the vehicle's battery high voltage contactors, which can lead the vehicle to fail to start or lose power while in motion. That's no good. I fail to start is one thing, okay? I'll figure something else out.
Right.
Lose power while you're on the highway? Ooh, creepy.
What happens? Does the vehicle just come to a stop or...
yeah.
Obviously. But,
Yeah.
Man,
I mean,
crazy.
I think it would be relatively gradual because if you lose power completely, you're still rolling.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you would have mechanical braking and such. Ford says 48,924 Mustang Mach-E vehicles sold in the U.S. are affected by the problem, nearly half of the estimate. There you go. So that gives you an idea. 50,000 is a lot when it comes to Mach-E's because there's only 100,000 of them produced during that time. Which time is that? 2021 to... Vehicles built between May 2020 and May 2022. So the 2 years that it's been around, basically, is like 100,000 of them, I guess. And they were made in Mexico. A spokesperson said the recall has also been filed with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, though it has yet to be posted on the agency's website. So eventually everyone's going to get that notice and hopefully go get your Mustangs.
There's a lot
up.
of them. They're probably the most common EV vehicles I see.
Other than Teslas.
Other than Teslas, yes, you're right. Teslas are everywhere.
Teslas.